Eric. Of course, he's going to talk about that snowstorm in just a few minutes, but it is set to be the biggest snow of the season so far for viewers in our southern counties. Some of them could see more than a half a foot in the next few days, and MDOT crews say they're ready for it.
A few weeks ago, drivers around Kalamazoo got this taste of winter weather when snow and ice hit southern Michigan. They dealt with minor traffic crashes and slide-offs. Some even had to be towed.
You know, we've been doing this for the better part of a century, and snow falls on the roads and we plow it off.
MDOT spokesman Nick Sharippa is paying attention to local weather forecasts as the plow drivers gear up for what's to come.
All our operators are trained and, kind of geared up and keyed up and ready to go. We've had really a mild winter thus far, so not a lot to do. So it's go time, right?
MDOT has more than 80 plows in the 7-county region around Kalamazoo ready to go.
They are all hands on deck. They are ready to go, as they have been since late October, early November. We've been fully staffed and just kind of waiting for winter to get here.
There are 3,300 lane miles to clear once the snow starts falling. Some drivers will focus on plowing and laying salt, making it safer for drivers. Others will put down the brine where it's needed before the storm.
In some areas, it's nice and dry, and we can do some pre-treating when it's dry. If it's wet, it just washes away, right? So if we get some trouble spots, we know tend to be trouble, and the temperatures are dropping fast enough, we'll do pre-treating on dry roads because it just helps us stay ahead of it.
We all know that Michigan drivers are used to the snow, but we've only seen about a third of the amount this season that we had last year at this time. Either way, MDOT crews are ready with more than 30,000 tons of salt on standby.
Snow, but we may not love the first snow, but it's a big deal. We get excited for it. We got to remember how to drive in it. For plow drivers, it's a huge deal. This is the opening kickoff of the Super Bowl for them, and they really want to get out there and make us proud and show everybody what they can do.
And Nick tells me since there really hasn't been much snow, crews have been working on other projects like tree trimming, guardrail and sign repairs, and patching potholes. COVID-19